Wow. Who is this? It's Momo. Who is this? It's Kobe. Wow, look at their eyes. Ooh, look. What can you see? Very good. Ice cream, cake, what else? Very nice. Mmm, yummy. Oh, look, they're very happy. What time is it? Is it afternoon or morning? It's afternoon tea. Mhm. Good job. Where are they? Awesome, in the restaurant. And what are they doing? Good job! High five! They're eating. Wonderful. Let's review. Are you ready? Say, let's go! The next one is coffee. Great job, James. Excellent, Andy and little Sue. Great job, Sunny. Okay, the next one is milk. Milk. Awesome. Excellent job. Terrific. Okay, let's see. The next one is juice. Yeah! Great job. Woo. Nice. Okay, one more. The last one is Coke. Perfect. Round of applause. Oh, yeah. Okay, what's this? Cupcake. And what's this? Donut. Are you ready? What's missing? Cupcake. Very nice. Okay, let's try another one. What's this? Great. Donut. Donut. Excellent. Okay, are you ready? What's missing? Pudding! Great job! Okay, let's do another one. What's this? Great. Great, this is donut. Great job, let's see. Let's go. What's missing? Very good, it's a donut. Yay, boom, boom, boom. Wow, who's this? Kobe. And what is this? What's this? It's a big cupcake. Good. And what does this say? Desserts. Nice. Okay, let's look at what happens. Wow. Where are they? Great. They're in the restaurant. And what are they eating? Ice cream. Okay, let's see. What does the waiter say? Would you like to have some cupcakes? Great. Would you like to have some cupcakes? To have some cupcakes? Would you like to have some cupcakes? Excellent. Awesome. Okay. Would you like to have some pizza? Yes, please. Let's eat. Nom, 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 nom. Would you like to have a pudding? Would you like to have a pudding? Great job, little Sue and Sunny. Would you like to have a pudding? Great job, James. Excellent, Andy. Let's go to the next one. Yes, I would like to have one, please. Great job. Excellent. Wonderful. Terrific. Nice job, everyone. Let's go to the last one.